Hey everybody, I'm going to do a little bit of bird hunting, a little bit of rabbit, some pheasant, quail, maybe some dove if we can get some popped up out here today. I'm with my buddy Mark Stillwell and his YouTube page, Stillwell's Outdoor Wandering. So we're going to try and get a video made for you guys today. We're going to do a little bit of bird hunting like I said, and then after that we're going to hit a pond, do a little bit of bass and crappie fishing, and see how it goes for everyone and us. So if I can't get a boot to sink down in this, it looks like somebody or something's crossed here. Tell you what, everyone, I should put my muck boots on today. Alright. Bummer. Ooh, a little soft right there. I just said it's a little soft. Nothing up in there. Well, that's not what we're after. It's a bird. Not what we're after, though. It's hard telling without here. Yep. But at the same time, if they push the miss, they'll eventually bed back down. Berries there. See nothing up in there. Looks dry enough to walk. So it looks dry enough to kind of walk. Ooh, wet there. took, and you know, I mean, we're not pushed straight from the truck. We're not pushed that far in, but we made a lot of cuts back and forth. Yep, that's true. But of course, like you're saying, we got them other hunters out here, and ain't no point in trying to get in their way while we're trying to hunt. It comes down to it, either hit the back.
You run up to a hunter, you know, if you run into him, you can know he's right there. But when you can visually see him on the next hill and horizon over, yeah, where you can walk towards him.
No, it's yep, trying to get themselves a little bit of food. I mean, it'd be great if we could kill a couple. That way we could. Yeah. Well, I mean, always the plus side of it, you can always do it again if you enjoy the hunt. Because even if you don't like it, I'll eat it up. I think that stuff's delicious.
If I don't like it, it's not going to be like I wake up on Tuesday and be like, well, today is dedicated to pet hunting.
Yeah.
Where like deer season, you know, when deer season hits, you don't hear from me unless you're hunting with me, because that's my passion. I love the deer. How far you want to go over?
Yeah, we can go and just cut right through it, and then yeah, I figured I'll have you on the left-hand side. Since you're left-handed, it'll be easier for you to swing. It'll be easier for me to swing right, and then we can cut in and start cutting up and have you kind of loop around.
Yeah, and then we'll meet back down on this back side and
yep.
Push out the rest of the way and head to the truck. I didn't see that you got a little bit of corn in her.
Oh yeah, there is, ain't there? Alright, let's see here. Where do I want to start pushing it at? We can see kind of where Mark goes. He's got to find a nice clear little spot for his backpack. Got the 2 poles hooked to it. But, yeah, it seems like a decent little spot. We'll push it part of the way. If he kicks something up, he's starting to move in. I'll let him get a little ways ahead of me because he's going to cut on the, when we start pushing back out towards the front of it, he's going to be on the left-hand side. A little easier for him, split the strong suit for him. May not work, maybe I might have to. You want me just to push it and you run the edge? I don't think you're going to be able to really get through too much with your poles. Well, our poles. That was the fear we had in this little patch here. Yep. If you want, I'll go ahead. I'll run in, just try and keep visual on me, and I'm going to try and weave the whole thing as I'm coming up through.
Alright, well, I'm going to do that in a minute. We'll make it to the east. I'll watch it flare out which way.
Okay.
And I'll meet you to turn around the back side. I'll let you kind of dig in the middle.
Sounds good to me. I'll just have, well, whenever you start coming down, you're going to push this side, or you're going to try and get around the back side, because I don't know what the back side offers. Okay. Alright, well, let's see if I can make some noise and make something want to fly up out of here. Let's see if we can't get at least a little something going on here. Definitely thick in here. I'll give it that, it's thick. Ooh, it's pushing. Hey everybody, so like we said, we're going to do some fishing stuff on our bird hunting trip here. We came up to our first pond and we got ourselves a little bit of time limit. We're going to cast out a few times in this pond. We've never fished this one before. Not too off the big of this pond, but we're going to cast out in her a few times and see what we can't hopefully get hooked into, and then after we get a little bit of fishing in, we're going to go right back over to trying to shoot us a pheasant or quail. So yeah, let's get a few casts in. Let's see what we can manage over here. Shallow over on this side. Might have to walk up over on the other edge. See what happens. Supposed to be that. I think I'm gonna work over just a little bit farther. Might grab our stuff, maybe a little bit. Push this edge here. Ooh, spike vines there. Alright, come on now. Give us a little cubby of something up here. Don't always gotta take meat home, but it's definitely a good day. We can get you some meat, take it home, and have a nice little cook up with the buddy and the wives and everything. Makes for a real good time. Making memories. All right. Come on, quails. You know you want to be hiding up in here. might go ahead and come back up this way and start working way back over to Mark here. Got to go up and around. Little finger cuts up out of that water hole down there. Definitely should have opted for a short sleep today. Getting warmer than what they said it was going to. Most of all this walking here. Looks like we got some deer trails here. A little bedding spot is what it looks like there. You what? Where? No. Maybe. Well,
Want to see some pretty water?
put my back over in there.
No, this is a smaller pole and a whole day adventure to fish this little outlet.
This one right up
Yeah, we can have the dam. Just
Whoop.
good dough.
Well, as you guys heard there from my buddy Mark, apparently I kicked up a doe out of that shrubbery there. Maybe that wasn't the one that I heard blowing through, because I was up in there and it sounded like some wings or something pushing up to that brush. I went to get ready. Didn't see no birds in flight, so. Oh man. Man, that's nice.
Yeah.
Still recording on here? Yep. Back over in there, there's a lot of bedding spots.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, you guys see this up here? Man, this is a beautiful lake. Well, a little pond, I wouldn't quite call her a lake, but you know what I mean. Yep, fishing hole. That's definitely some beautiful water. Alright, so she rolled. Hey guys, so I don't know if you got the last bit of whenever we're over there at Bilby, but my battery died while we were out bird hunting. We ended up turning in. There's quite a few other hunters over there. Didn't want to disturb them. They were out before us. And we decided to come over here to the prairie. And a few things came up, so it's a little later in the evening. So me and Mark decided we're going to come out here and just fish one of the ponds, see if we can't come up with a fish. And had a little friendly competition, you know, see if one of us can at least catch a fish today. Might not happen, but you know, never gonna know unless you're out here trying. So we're gonna go down to this little pond here on the prairie and get a little bit of fishing in for the evening. I'm trying to. I'm definitely trying, but they're not cooperating. No, it's not. It really isn't. You just hook one? Oh boy. Buddy Mark just hooked himself into a bass. Hey, it's a fish. Hopefully you guys can see him over there. We'll go over here real quick and we'll check out the bass Mark just caught. Just as he was talking about me saving the video by catching something, he hooks into him. Let's get over here a little closer, that way you guys can get a good view of this bass. Looky there, got us one on the bank.
We got a fish. If I catch a fish and Austin catches a fish, then we'll have to know who's the fish. So
Well, of course, if I catch one, it's gonna be mine, Mark. Come on now.
Let's play this fair. I got a scale.
Oh, you brought your scale out with us?
Yeah, I know my bag.
What are your guesses on? What do you think she's gonna weigh?
I don't know. 2.
I was thinking somewhere about 2, 2.5.
Yeah. That's right. We don't need a memory. We don't need kilograms either. Come on.
Yeah, I can't convert kilograms to pounds in my head. Well, I guess while you're figuring that out, I'm gonna get over here and just throw in the line a few more times and just holler over what she weighs. See, at least it's how much? 0.7. I ain't got no data. Let's go ahead and put one right back over there. Got a couple taps. I'm still working on my first.
I didn't expect to catch that one, honestly. I figured it was going to work my way all the way to you and nothing.
Got close.
I know. I mean, right here in this corner. I told you. Good cast.
Sounds like a plan.
Good cast. That's the first one.
Number one. Someone here? I heard truck door. Number 2. Come on. Last cast. Come on now. I said last cast. Come on now. And that's a whole lot of nothing. Yep, that's just how she goes sometimes, you know. Alright, everybody, so we're going to go ahead and get walking up out of here before it gets too dark for us to see. We ain't got no flashlights or nothing with us, but day wasn't too off productive, but at least we got one fish in today. Didn't get no birds, but you know, it's better to be out, not bring nothing home than never go out, because you never know if you're going to get anything if you never go do her. So thank you for watching the video. Me and Mark both appreciate it. He's going to have content for today as well over on his channel, which once again, that is Stillwell's Outdoor Wandering. I will put a link in the description for his YouTube channel. So until next time, guys.